Welcome back, everyone. So basically in the last video we just learned the law of exponents, which says that when you're multiplying variables or numbers with exponents, you just add the exponents together, and when you're dividing variables or numbers with exponents, you subtract the exponents. Okay, so now on to question 3, which is a story problem, and I've typed it out right here. It says Mr. Dietz is a teacher whose salary is $22,570 for this school year, which has 185 days. In Mr. Dietz's school district, substitute teachers are paid $80 per day. If Mr. Dietz takes a day off without pay, and the substitute teacher is paid to teach Mr. Dietz's class, how much less does the school district pay in salary by paying a substitute teacher instead of paying Mr. Dietz for that day? So a problem like this is pretty typical on the ACT, and you should really learn how to master these to improve your score greatly. And it's key to realize exactly what they're asking. So this is asking basically how much less does the school district pay in salary by paying a substitute teacher instead of paying Mr. Dietz for that day. For that day is key here. So it says he makes $22,570. That's a dollar sign. Awful, but per 185 days. A little bit messy here. Sorry about that. Alright, per 185 days. And it says we only want to know for that day. So one of the goals here is to find out how much money Mr. Dietz makes for one day, and then we can compare that or subtract that from how much a substitute teacher makes for that day. So to find out how much he makes per day, we just divide his total salary by the amount of days he works, which is equal to, and then you can just divide this on a calculator. Oh, and speaking of, I'll probably make an ACT math like quick tips video soon. Things you can do with your calculator, things you can look at in problems, all tips that will just help you improve your score. But yeah, so you just divide his total salary by the number of days into your calculator to find out how much money he'll make per day, which is equal to $122 per one day. This really isn't needed, but it's just to clarify things up. So per one day. And now don't get fooled here, because one of the answer choices is $122. They're trying to trick you here. But go back to the story problem, and it says how much less does the school district pay in salary by paying a substitute teacher instead of paying Mr. Dietz's for that day. So this is how much Mr. Dietz makes for that day, and the substitute teacher, makes $80 per one day. And the wording here is key. So how much less does the school district pay? That always less normally, or pretty much always, signifies a subtraction. So how much less do they make for that one day? 122 minus 80 is equal to $42 per that one day. And that is the answer. The school district will save $42 by hiring a substitute teacher instead of Mr. Dietz. And that's the answer, and I'll see you guys in the next video.